back to my YouTube channel. Dan di video kali ini I will be partner up with my kids. Dan di video kali ini aku akan pakai masker GLAMGLOW yang glitter ini. Jadi kali ini aku beli GLAMGLOW masker yang kecil ini karena aku dulu pernah punya pengalaman gak cocok sama GLAMGLOW Youth Matte yang warna hitam itu. Kalau aku habis pakai itu pasti aku langsung muncul satu jerawat gede. Jadi aku memutuskan beli yang kecil aja. Dan di video kali ini aku akan maskeran, akan quality time bersama anakku di sini. Karena aku lihat beberapa YouTuber luar itu mereka partner up with their kids pakai masker glitter ini. So aku juga berani untuk pakai glitter mask ini sama anakku because I think it's safe. Okay, and let's get started. Do you like it?
Yes.
What color is this?
Pink.
You're so excited?
Yeah, it's Pinkie Pie.
Yeah.
Sounds so funny, Santa.
Okay, you finish. And my turn. Rasanya dingin, ada rasa dingin-dinginnya. Is it feels cold?
Yeah.
This one coming out. Okay, it's my turn. I'm going to apply this on my entire face.
Whoa, so cold, Mommy.
Yes, this one is so cold. I feel like tingling sensation, and this is so sparkly. Look at that.
Whoa, it's so sparkler and
What do you
shiny.
think? What smell is this? What do you think this is smells? Like blueberry or coconut? I think it's like a
Coconut.
smell.
Yeah, coconut strawberry.
Coconut strawberry?
Yeah.
Blueberry?
Yeah.
This one is so cute.
Yeah, so pretty.
Yeah, and this one is so fresh. I think this one is so refreshing.
Oh, yeah.
It has
It's a fabulous.
Okay, you sing. What song is that?
The brush is white and turn pink now. Please reach to wash person and I can do that. And because I don't know what's going in the wrong, but we messed it up now. Don't mess.
Okay, so kita berdua udah pakai maskernya on our entire face dan ditunggu 15 menit. Dan masker ini sih ada rasa kayak dingin-dinginnya gitu, terus kayak ada rasa ketarik gitu. I think the lifting agent, because ini adalah graphite is working, so it's good and I can feel that my skin got ketarik gitu. And we are waiting for 15 minutes, and after that we are going right back to it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think your mask is dry and it's ready to peel it off. Coba gini. Okay, here we go. The peel off mask. Yes. We are so ready to peel it. It's so satisfying when you can peel the mask, you know. Okay, let's go check the nose area. Oh wow. Is it hurt? No. Is it fine? Everything is fine.
Pinkie Pie.
You wear Pinkie Pie?
Yes, this one.
Oh, that one is Pinkie Pie. Look at that! Pinkie Pie and Rarity.
Yeah.
By the way, this is my studio. I have the background light to...
Hey, perfect.
Yes!
So waiting for time.
Yeah. Okay, your face is clean right now. There's still many of them left on your face, but we will wash it off.
Yes.
Okay, and I can feel that her skin
Now put the stickers.
smooth.
Now
Okay, I think now it's ready to take off, ready to peel the mask because everything is dry in some part.
Mommy, we put the balloon.
Okay, now it's I'm going to take this out first.
We need to put the balloon. I forgot we're gonna put.
I like this. This is so satisfying. So I clean all the mask. I feel that my skin is so soft. Tapi kayaknya my skin is more sensitive than my kids karena ada beberapa bagian setelah dicopot semua itu ada beberapa bagian yang rada merah-merah, sedangkan anakku nggak merah-merah sama sekali. But I love the effect of this mask. Ini rasanya refreshing banget.
Pakai stiker sekarang.
Okay, wait. Ini rasanya fresh banget, terus rasanya seger banget sama kayak ketarik gitu. Oke, dan ini I love this mask. Aku nggak tahu efeknya nanti gimana, tapi ini ada sedikit merah-merah di bagian hidung pas dicopot. But I think it's completely fine. I think the red is gone within a minute. So if you want to have a quality time with your kids and want to use this mask together with your kids, I think it's fun because it's pink and it's glitter. Mereka juga ada warna purple sama hitamnya kalau nggak salah. But I love the pink one because it's so glittery than any of the mask. This mask is quite expensive dan aku takut nggak cocok kayak yang Yellow mask itu, jadi aku beli aja yang kecil. And finally, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you again on our next video. Love you.
Bye.